Hello everyone, welcome back again to Kit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, delicacies, African traditional foods and modern as well. So if at all you are not in this channel, please consider subscribing so that you can join the family and press on your notification bell so that you can always be notified when a new video is in. Otherwise, if you are missed by my videos, please throw your super thanks. Otherwise, my recipe for today, I just want to prepare for you some tilapia, some fish tilapia. And this tilapia fish, I'm going to do it tilapia fish in coconut fish. Yeah. So I'm going to make the paste using coconut. So first of all, I will. It's still fresh at the moment. I'll deep fry it, and by deep frying it, I'll make some stew. Not really a stew, but a wet fry coconut stew. So let's get to the cooking. This is the tilapia fish that I'm going to make. I've already washed it. I've removed the scales and you can see how clean it is. I've removed everything. I remember I did some video in this channel where I showed you how to remove everything here, how to remove the scales, how to wash it and everything. So first of all, now this one I want to deep fry this. And the ingredients that I'm going to use here, I have some coriander, red onions and garlic. I have three small tomatoes which I'm going to grate. I have salt to give it a taste. I have tomato paste and I have the coconut cream here. I have turmeric and paprika for marination. So keep tuned. Start by making slits to this. I'll make a slit. So the reason why I'm making this slit so that it can get marinated well. All the marination can get direct inside the fish. So those who do not know how to make fish, please view this video until the end. Then you change the other side as well. Do the same. So the first thing that we're going to put in here, salt. You put salt for it to taste. Make sure salt gets in everywhere, every place in here. After that, we're going to put paprika. Change it the other way around and do the same. So when you are marinating, make sure even this inside part is well marinated. So next, I will do the paprika. I mean the turmeric. In turmeric, I'll just spread it on top and then rub everything up here. I'll do the same the other side. Make sure you rub it well all over. I'll give it about 30 minutes Meanwhile, I'll prepare my oil for deep frying first. So stay tuned. Start by frying my onions. So I continue with some garlic. I'll fry my garlic. Then next thing, I'll add my tomato paste. Taste. So guys, I'm going to cover it and let it cook, boil for some time before I add in the coconut cream. So the cream, you don't need to boil the cream for so long because it might lose the taste. So stay tuned. When it's done this way now, I'm going to add in my fish, my fried fish now. So guys, I'll cover it and let it cook for a bit. Finally, I will. So guys, this is my coconut fish. You can see how yummy, how tasty it is. So guys, this is my coconut fish. So I'm just going to serve it with something like anything starchy and greens. So please try out this video and then let me serve it.